Crystal Clean's been in business for 40 years. And a few years ago, they kind of realized they had to make some sort of a change. So the management team got together and said, what are our core values? What is it that we really want to define ourselves as for ourselves and for our clients? What we came up with were 3 words: family, client, and company. Now, the meaning behind that is that family does come first. We realize every one of us, we have our families. We have families that we work for to take care of. We have our children, our spouses, people that we love, and that's important. So we try to be very flexible and make sure that people know that we appreciate that. But it also falls into a family as a company. We work together every day. We see each other. We come and we go, and like all families, you try to avoid too much drama. And we love people that understand it's about respect and dignity first. Now, that leads to taking care of the client. So none of us get paid unless we have happy clients, and the client is very important. Besides the fact that we're all human beings and have a family, we have clients who are willing to pay us money to perform a service, so we make sure we take care of them. I think we're one of the few companies that really has established positions and roles just to take care of clients. When they call and say, hey, this wasn't done correctly, this got missed, someone didn't show up, and those things happen, we're there to take care of it right away. We take care of our clients. That's something that we insist on. And then that helps us as a company, because we have happy clients, we have happy employees. The company ultimately gets what it wants. We're able to work like all businesses with a value to our clients so that they pay us, and we're able to pay our employees, and we all make some money to take care of the things we need to. It all comes together based on those 3 words, and that's the meaning behind family, client, and company.